So we loved the Hostak Modern six-drawer dresser for the bedroom so much that we went ahead and purchased two more sets for our son's room. Here's all the pieces you're going to get. Yes, it looks like a lot. Do not get overwhelmed. Instructions are simple. Everything is perfectly labeled. The only thing that I want to show you how to do is you will have to separate these little tracks here, and these are for the drawers. Super simple, easy to do. As you can tell here, I laid them out on a piece of clothing just because they do have that oil on them to help them glide. You're going to want that. The other little pieces here are you've got to make sure that the little arrow is pointing towards where you're going to be pushing that screw in. Then all you have to do is simply use a Phillips head screwdriver, give it a twist, and you'll feel it like close together real tight. Then you know it's locked in place. You're going to get so many of these. These are going to be one of the main things that you have to use to put together all the pieces. But we love the quality of these. We love the style. We love the look. These are gorgeous. The drawers glide smoothly. They hold probably, let's say, 6 pairs of women's jeans in each drawer. It just has plenty of room for storage.